Hello and welcome to Desi Lifestyle in Europe. My name is Furqan and today I will unbox my brand new drone DJI Mavic Mini combo. I'm really excited, so let's open the box. The Mavic Mini is available in two package options, standard and Fly More combo. In the standard one you can get the drone. It doesn't even include a charger adapter. The Fly More combo though is dedicated to those who need the extended flight time and not just flying once in a month. Wow, it's great! A carrying bag. Really nice to have when you're traveling. The Mavic Mini doesn't have any obstacle avoidance sensors, so it comes with these 360 degrees propeller guard protection. In here you have the protection for the drone propellers. The user handbook, hopefully I won't need that. USB adapter, and battery pack with 3 batteries. Let's open the carrying handbag. And here's the drone, the two-way charger, and it comes with the dedicated remote controller. I guess in here you have the connector cables to connect remote controller to your phone. Here is the screwdriver for changing the damaged propellers. It's so small and so light. It weighs only 249 grams. Here you have the camera and the gimbal with protection cap. A 3-axis motorized gimbal supports and stabilizes the camera in there. I bought this combo in Norway for $640 US. The combo comes with 3 batteries, charging adapter and two-way charger. It also includes 2 extra pair of spare propellers and carrying handbag. You have 3 types of RC cable connectors in here. One for Apple, one micro USB and one USB-C connector. Simply just connect your mobile device with the remote controller. These are control sticks and these can even be detached, as you see here. Then connect the Mavic Mini via the app, which is called DJI Fly, and then just follow the app instructions to activate Mavic Mini. The mobile phone that are 6.5 to 8.5 millimeter thick and no more than 160 millimeter long will easily fit in the remote control clamps. The first time you will need to calibrate it and then it will be ready to fly. Mavic Mini can capture high quality footage including 2.7K video at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second or 12 megapixel photographs. You have 2 USB cables, one to charge the batteries and one for the remote controller. The two-way charging hub can charge up to 3 batteries in sequence. It takes 90 minutes to full charge one battery, and with the fully charged battery, Mavic Mini can have up to 30 minutes of flight time. So with 3 batteries, you will get a total flight time of 1.5 hours. You can also use the charging hub as a power bank for your mobile phone. The maximum flight speed is 13 meters per second. And there's no internal storage in the Mavic Mini, so you need to have a micro SD card. in order to store images and footage. I'm using 256 gigabytes SanDisk Extreme V30 micro SD card. It's important to know that Mavic Mini is not waterproof, so you shouldn't be flying in the rain. In its app, you can make cinematic content by functions like circle, helix, rocket, and drone. It has also return to home feature, but unfortunately the DJI Mavic Mini has no follow me active track modes. The Mavic Mini have a maximum range of 4 kilometers or roughly 2.5 miles, which is pretty impressive for a drone of this compact size. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please show it by hitting thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more. Have a great day. Bye.